Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another video going up all about how you navigate Google Classroom and general features.
Hope you enjoy the video, hope you find it useful. Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome. So this is the Google Classroom demo class that I'm going to use to show you how to do a few things on here, okay, and navigate through Google Classroom. So what I did to get to this point is I actually just signed in using my account details that my school would have given me, so my username and password. Every child should have those if they've got a Google Classroom account, so just use those, log in. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to choose one of your classrooms. They might be part of more than one class, so you need to make sure your child knows which class it is they're supposed to be going into. Okay, they'll know the name of the class, so it should be their name. Okay, whatever their class name is, it might be their teacher's name. Okay, but once we're in, this is what we'll see. We'll see the class name at the top instead of where it says demo class, and then you've got your three tabs at the top here: stream, classwork, and people. Okay. People just shows who my teachers are. All right. And yeah, so let's talk about the stream first. So the stream is like a message board where your child can post any messages they want to send to their class teacher. They can send in any messages to other children in the class. It's quite a nice social aspect, a bit like the message board you get on social media websites. You know, it's the same kind of concept. So anything they want to send to their friends or their teacher, maybe they're struggling with their learning, they can post it on here and the teachers, they'll see it. So I might just want to write a simple message. Hello, everyone. Okay. And once I've typed it in, it's not going to appear automatically until I press post. Okay. And once you press post, then it'll appear on the stream. You can also add stuff if you want. You can add YouTube clips to this. So hello, everyone. I don't know. I found this cool video about handwriting, about times tables, post into your classroom stream. You can add your learning to this bit as well, but you wouldn't want to put it here, okay? Because most schools will want children to upload their learning in a different spot.